Windows Protection Suite. This is another parasite that's infected a lot of people, and it causes a lot of problems with browser redirects, uninstalling security applications and so on. So I will go through and install this program, and then we will go through the removal process, which is quite simple and straightforward and a lot less painful than you might think. Now, I've disabled all my security on this machine, and I have left my registry protector running, and this tells me that the setup wishes to run, which I will allow, so that the program installs as it has done on many of your machines. Now, if you have this and you can't follow the instructions here, you may need to reboot into safe mode with networking so that you can open Task Manager. In some cases, this program disables the Task Manager. Now, it's doing its scan, and it'll be interesting to see what it finds and see what it does. And many of you will already know from experience what it does do. And it will install a lot of stuff and find stuff that doesn't exist, because they want your money. It's that simple. And if they can cause you programs or cause you problems by removing programs and so on, they will do. Now, if you look in Task Manager, you can see there's a process called WI7B37EXE. And this is the program. You may have a different string of letters and numbers. It may even be there as Windows Protection Suite.exe. Now here you can see it's uninstalled Spyware Doctor, which it has taken out completely, and it's removed it from my system tray, which is no big deal. It also finds a load of other Trojans, spyware and so on, and they don't actually exist on your machine. The problem is this program. This is the spyware, this is the adware, this is the virus. And down below you can get a description of what these things do. In this case, if you're running Windows XP as I am, this Trojan will cease running. In all other cases, the Trojan will block the keyboard and mouse. Now, this one did actually cause me a few mouse problems. So we'll ignore that lot. We know it's uninstalled Spyware Doctor. That can be reinstalled. It's no big deal. So close the window, and in Task Manager, right-click this process and simply end task or end the process. And that's it. Just kill it. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is open My Computer. Open your C drive, go to Windows, open the folder, scroll down to System32 and open the folder, and then go to Drivers, again open the folder, and open etc. and highlight all of the hosts. Leave the LM hosts, networks, services and protocol as they are. It's only the hosts you want. Highlight those and delete them. Select yes, and yes to all if you're prompted to remove all of them. Then open up a browser, either Internet Explorer or Firefox. Open your Task Manager. Make sure this process is dead because it's resurfacing. So again, right click, end process, select yes. Go back to your browser and type in mbam, M-B-A-M, into the search box, and scroll down, go to malwarebytes.org, click on download free version, and this will take you to download.com. Simply download the program. Now save this to a location of your choice. When you've done that, follow through and install it. And this doesn't take very long at all. Now, as it installs, just follow the prompts. If your firewall asks permission, give it to it. Accept the EULA, click next, and just follow through. Create a desktop icon, a quick launch icon, either, whatever suits you. Now, when it's finished installing the program, it will automatically look for updates and update the program. Just click Finish. Allow the program to update, allow it to install the updates. The user interface will then open. After the update, you need to click OK, just to acknowledge that it has been updated. The user interface will open, and it's preset to carry out a quick scan, and all you have to do is click Scan. That's it. Just let it run. It'll take a few minutes depending on the size of your drive and how much information you have on it. And I'll pause whilst it scans. There we go, we've come back. 750 infected objects. It's going for the record. Show results. And as you can see, Rogue Windows Protection Suite, File, Folders, Registry Values, Registry Keys, Security Hijack, which there are loads of. There's a couple of hundred of those. And Search Page Hijacks. Now all of this will be removed. All you have to do is click Remove Selected and just let it carry on and remove it. It will also remove the installer that was placed on your desktop or wherever. So the whole of the program will be gone. If you haven't got Malwarebytes installed, question your sanity, because this is a free program, or you can buy the Pro version. It's an excellent tool. It removes a lot of malware and rogue applications. And it's one program you should have installed. Now, once all of this has been done, you will want to rebuild your hosts file, either install Spybot Search and Destroy or use Host Expert or Hostman, and import hosts from HP Hosts or MVPS. And you can add to the host file to block these sites, which will send them to the local host, which is 127.0.0.1. Now this is a nice easy removal really. Now when it's finished its scan, you need to reboot. Just click Yes, allow your computer to reboot, and it will finish the cleanup operation, and your machine will be back to normal. So as you can see, it's taken the installer from the desktop that was situated there. If you want any more information, check out my blog, which is Free PC Security, and you can find it at freepcsecurity.co.uk.